Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do a picture-in-picture tutorial where your picture will show up in the upper right-hand corner while doing a screen recording. In order to do this, first thing we have to do is become familiar with how to do a PowerPoint screen recording. Please click on the link below in order to watch my tutorial on how to do a PowerPoint screen recording. Now let's go ahead and get our picture right here. First thing I'm going to do is open Zoom. And I'm going to host a new meeting. And I'm going to do a screen share. In this screen share, I will share my entire screen. And my video pops up right here, which we could just click on and relocate anywhere on the screen. You could resize it to whatever you see fit. I'll minimize this. And at this point, we can go ahead and launch PowerPoint. And do a screen capture. And that will capture whatever's on the screen. And it'll also include my picture in the bottom right-hand corner, walking you through how to continue with this. Now, in order to do the PowerPoint screen recording, we just open up a blank presentation, click on the Record tab, and follow the directions that I have outlined in the below video. I hope this was helpful. Please make sure that you like the video and subscribe to my channel for more technology tutorials. Have a nice day.